Oh, right here. Not sure what that was. What are those? Oh, I think they're divers, but I don't know. They could be widgeon. I think they're widgeon. No. Wood ducks, maybe? Might be woodies. They're getting out of sluice range, though. Oh, muffleheads. God, they look big. The fog, man, makes it really hard to see. I will say it was not this thick when I came out. Big flock of widgeon. Big. There's probably 15, 20 of them. Murgies. God, these widgeon are everywhere. Very chatty. Oh. If I see the birds through the fog, that's how thick it is right now, we need to be shooting. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. I just missed those widgeon. I said earlier we're going to shoot birds if I see them, and I saw those. They're on the edge of the decoys, maybe 30 yards. Should have shot, should have got them. But... Ooh, mallards. Mallards just came from behind me, working those fields. Oh, what the? That's not good shooting so far. Big flock of like 25 widgeon up there. You could see them up above the fog. Nope. A little bit too far out. There's mallards sitting right down there in the bushes. Nice little greenwing teal. Buffleheads. Alright guys, 9 o'clock update here, and we just got the one teal so far. I threw out more decoys. When in doubt, throw out more decoys. What I need is motion, and I can't get my flapper to the ground. Alright guys, 9:20 update, and the airflow is now coming from the west and blowing this fog back my direction, which I guess at this point I'll take, because the birds were flying closer to me when I had a little bit of fog. And I'm not as exposed. The sun's not in my face, so I can see better too. Oh, don't veer. Don't veer. Oh man, mallards right there, and they veered off. Gosh, you know, we were out here last year, just down a little bit from here, and our boat was exposed. We were out probably 20 yards from the shore, and we still managed to get birds and pull birds in. So it's definitely doable. Being exposed. Sometimes the birds are just wary for whatever reason, and today they do seem to be extra cautious. So maybe it's from getting all shot up yesterday. Who knows? You just can't. The birds keep you on your toes every time. Those came in really nice. We just doubled up on widgeon. That was a thing of beauty. All right, got a hen and a drake. A nice drake here. There's a beauty right there. Nice, nice cotton top. Beautiful bird. Just picked up another teal, guys. Big flock came through, surprised me. And I flock shot on the first one and I focused on the second one, dumped it. I think it's a hen, but hey, it's all right. We got 4 birds. Oh, it's not a hen. That is a nice drake. Beautiful drake teal, Greenwing. Man, another widgeon in the decoys, looking off to the right. He came from the left. Dang it! Right here. Buffleheads. I'll take a buffy. I'll take a buffy right now. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, what a waste of shells. Oh, what's a buffy? If it was a drake, I would have shot it. But it was a hen bufflehead that came right into the decoys. Alright, you guys, as much as I want to stay out here with you and wait for those last 3 birds, I think I got to call it a day. It's 11 o'clock. I got to get home to the family. And yeah, I think our time here is done for the year, unfortunately. So as far as this stretch of the river, we'll be on the lower stretches of the river the last couple weeks of the season, definitely on the last weekend. And there might be a day or 2 in between. But there is a bird. What is it? Oh man. Bad shooting, bad hunter. There were 2 widgeon flirting with me when that bird came in and I shot it. The diver over the nice birds. Ah! Ah, that leaves a bad taste in your mouth at the end of the day, but hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. Welcome to hunting. Sometimes it doesn't go your way, all right? All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, guys, coming back to the dock, and I've got some friends. You guys tell me what kind of ducks these are. Not quite sure.